Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Equalizer APO not working. As you can see, we already have our Equalizer APO 1.4.2 and this is how it looks like. Now if you're having issues with it not working, here are a few things you need to do. Now if your problem is a playback problem or an input problem, you just need to go over to device, click on the drop down and you will see the playback devices. On this computer, the playback device is a Sharp LCD speaker, and this is where sound will be playing back, and here is a capture device. The capture device is a Microsoft array, so you need to make sure that these devices are properly connected to your computer and everything is working nicely. And then of course you want to go over to the channel configuration to make sure that you're having the settings that are applicable to what you have. We have it from device, which is stereo, and we're going to leave it as is. Now, if this is fine on your end, you need to try another option. Click on your start and then select the Equalizer APO device selector. Now, this is an important part. As you can see right here, there are different options for playback devices and capture devices. And from what you saw right here, there is just one option right here for the playback and one option for the capture device. And this is because we only selected one device for playback and one device for capture devices. So you'll need to make sure that you've selected the right device, because sometimes you might be disconnecting or it might be already disconnected unknowingly. So you need to make sure that you're selecting the right playback devices and the right capture devices. If you have multiple, you might want to select multiple in order to choose when you're right here. Then you'll be seeing the different options. So you'll need to close this, select the boxes which apply. However, it is important to also check under the status it's currently plugged. For example, you can see that the headphone right here is unplugged, and if you've selected this device, then you're definitely going to be having problems. So you need to select the device and then make sure that the status is all right. The same principle applies to the capture devices. Make sure to select the device that is not disabled or unplugged. So once you do that, you could also click on the checkbox troubleshooting options. This will troubleshoot any of the devices and see if they have any problems. Once that is done, you can close this and restart the Equalizer APO app and see if it reflects and your problem is solved. If this doesn't work, you might need to restart your computer after making those changes in the configuration panel. After that's done and it doesn't work, the last thing you could try out is to uninstall and reinstall the Equalizer APO. In order to uninstall it, you can click on your start, go over to settings, then go to apps, select installed apps, then scroll down to find the app, click on the three dots, click uninstall, and once it's uninstalled, you can go ahead and install it again from the website. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to try to fix Equalizer APO not working.